Hey guys, this is DeSHANTA B. I believe this is the last one. This might be number 11 or 12. But these collard greens are done, guys. I'm sorry you're getting the shadow of the camera. For those of you that are new, for the last time, my recording camera is broken, so I have to use my cell phone. And my cell phone cuts off if I record too long. So I'm going to go kind of fast. So guys, these greens have been cooking, I would say, close to an hour. Everyone likes their greens differently. Some don't like them to cook as long. Some like them cooked longer. Cook your greens according to what you like. Okay? I'm just showing you what I do. Look at that, guys. These were made with turkey broth. If you use pork, go right ahead. I cook pork, guys, but I don't eat it. Only if I have a special request. So guys, I hope that this was an easy recipe for you. Once again, add the seasonings that you like. Make sure you clean your greens, guys, and then just allow the greens to absorb all of the seasoning. So what I've done, guys, is I've made myself some in a little small bowl. Let me set this camera up. Okay, hold on, guys. All right. So this is what the greens look like, as per Miss Geneva. Trying to see if we can get some more light. They have their little shine to them. This is the way I like to eat my greens. Don't think it's weird, guys, but I do. I take a little bit of butter, put it in my greens. Look at that. And the butter that I put in the greens already is bringing out the flavor of the greens. And I have my hot sauce. All I'm missing is some hot water cornbread. And that would be all that I would need to keep me happy, guys. I hope you can really see this. Look at those greens, guys. Okay, let's do a taste test. Wow. The collard greens still have a little bite to them, but they do melt in your mouth. It's nothing like getting a collard green stuck in the back of your throat. Guys, these are really, really good. And remember, excuse me, season your greens to your liking. Cook your greens to your liking. But these greens will be going into the egg roll shell with the smoked turkey. And once these cool down, I will come back and show you exactly how I put it all together. I got to get these ready for the restaurant, guys. Okay. And with that being said, you know what time it is. Give this recipe a try and stop playing. I gotta go in. Hold on. That's it. That is it. Okay, guys. Until next time. Bye.